I don't even know where to start. First of all, don't mind the Christmas decorations still up. I just didn't want to pack those. It is 11:23 a.m. Mountain Time, Thursday, August 26th, and I have some updates. I'll also explain all of that as well. I was trying to find my tests that I took, but with moving everything around, trying to get situated, I don't know where they are right now, but I took 3. Took 3 of what? Get yourself a cup of tea or a cup of coffee. It's been a hot minute, okay? But I'm gonna backtrack, try not to make this extremely long. If not, it'll be in 2 parts. I'll let you know. But we went to Florida back in May of this year for my husband's father's wedding, my father-in-law and my now mother-in-law. Had a ball. It was open bar. Drank all the drinks. Got wasted. Then we went to Kansas for my husband's birthday and my mom's anniversary of her passing, which was June 1st through the 5th, I think. And both trips I just felt a little off. So we came home and I went back to work like normal because the sensations eventually faded off. Don't mind the air conditioner going off and on in the background as well. But yeah, I have on long sleeves, hormones up and down. Girl, if you just get to the point. Well, as you guys may have known, back in 2001, I had an ectopic pregnancy. In 2017, I had weight loss surgery. 2019, I had a 3-week chemical pregnancy miscarriage. And June 13th, 2021, I took 3 pregnancy tests. All 3 came back positive. So I'm pregnant. It's still surreal. It's very nerve-wracking, you know, with my history, and also the anxiety, the hormones, the flow of everything. I'm 42 years old, okay? Been trying for over 20 years. And me and my husband been together since 2005. We got married in 2009. And we've also been trying. My first pregnancy miscarriage was with my ex-husband. But as of tomorrow, August 27th, 2021, I will be 17 weeks pregnant with my very first child at 42 years old and 4 years post-op VSG. Yeah, I thought I was going through premenopause, being my age, but I took the first test was a Dollar Tree pregnancy test, and it popped positive before the 3 minutes were up, literally like 30 seconds. I called my best friend. My husband was in the bedroom. I called my best friend and told her. She's like, bitch, go get a clear blue. It'll tell you pregnant or not pregnant. It did the countdown. Pregnant. Went to the ER because of my scares in the past. I made up an excuse or whatever. And I said I was nauseous, which I was. Dizzy, lightheaded, hot and cold flashes, all the hormones. They ran blood work. They hooked me up to an IV because of my dehydration. I was like, well, we know why you're nauseated. You're pregnant. So with that confirmation, I was like, okay. They took me back to ultrasound, and you know, I told the technician, please just tell me the baby's not in my tubes, because, you know, I just didn't want to deal with another ectopic pregnancy. Miscarriage. She's like, I can't tell you much, but she did turn around the monitor and I got to see my baby's flutter of a heartbeat. June 13th, she told me I was 6 weeks and 2 days pregnant. So while I was partying it up in Palm Beach Gardens and over in Kansas, drinking all the drinks, your girl was pregnant. Didn't even know it. So I got set up with getting on Medicaid and everything because I wasn't working at the time. Well, I was working at the time, but my job just didn't want to abide by my weight restrictions. So I had to walk away from that, and I was out of work for like about a month. I'm fast forwarding. But through the course from being 6 weeks and 2 days all the way up until now, we before I got to see my doctor, I had to go in and do a pregnancy test with them for a confirmation. I got approved for Medicaid. I got approved for food stamps based off our income. I got approved for WIC. With my job that I'm working at now, I get benefits after 45 days. So I will be getting off of Medicaid and hopefully going on to Blue Cross and Blue Shield. So if they want to keep me on Medicaid, then fine. But yeah, your girl's pregnant. I will be 43 years old in October. The baby's due date is February 4th, 2022. Hence all of all that back there. We waited until our 15th week of pregnancy to find out the gender. When I was between 10 and 12 weeks, I was feeling some pains. I went to the ER. They told me I had a subchorionic hemorrhage and to be on pelvic rest and bed rest. So that eventually healed on its own. Then, but prior to that, you know, the first appointment, they do the blood work. They said my progesterone levels were out of 14. So they put me on progesterone suppositories until my placenta developed. So it's just been a whirlwind of highs and lows, stress, anxiety, issues with my doctor until everything got situated. But I went to a clinic here to get a free ultrasound because my doctor didn't see me until I was 12 weeks. Here is one of the first ultrasounds that we had. Baby and the heartbeat. Then I went back again and got another ultrasound to where they were able to do you know, a little bit more. I got it done again for free just to check. That's the little baby there. Here's also some from when they checked me for my subchorionic hemorrhage. Baby got a big old head. Also, we did pay for a gender reveal ultrasound. I'll get to that one in just a second. But they did some more blood work on me after the subchorionic hemorrhage when I finally got to meet my OB, and told me that I was going to get tested for spina bifida and also Down syndrome, but I didn't know that they were going to do the maternity 21 testing. So the day before my appointment to get the gender reveal ultrasound, I called in because I wanted to know the spina bifida and the Down syndrome testing results. So they tell me that the doctor has yet to sign off on the test results, but they can tell me what my gender of my baby is. So she told me over the phone. And at the free clinic, I also was able to get, they were just now getting a 3D ultrasound, so I was able to get this done for free. But they took 3D ultrasounds for free for me of the baby. And also some 2D as well. So she told me what the sex was, and I still kept my appointment for the gender reveal ultrasound, and baby has been very active. I have yet to feel the baby move, but the baby was very active in all the ultrasounds, jumping and bouncing around like a little jumping bean. But this particular day, when mommy and daddy wanted to see, you know, what was between your little legs, baby decided, I'm not going to cooperate. I'm going to be on chill mode. So, being that we already knew, we still kept the appointment. We are having a boy. Baby will be a junior, named after his father. That's his long legs. Mommy's 5'10", daddy's 5'5", so he might have my long legs. That's his little pearl spine. That's his heartbeat there. I also, we were just waiting to pretty much buy anything for the baby. We hadn't bought anything for the baby except that onesie back there, and the felt board from Target. Once we found out the sex and the gender of the baby, you know, I filled in the foam board and the felt board and put the name on there. We were all dreaming girl, so we were anticipating a girl, but I am blessed that I am having a son. That way my husband's name can go on. And like I said, we waited to find out the gender, to let family and friends know, and also to start buying things, because this is the farthest along I've ever gotten out of the 2 other pregnancies. So every day is a milestone for me. Every day is a blessing. I lay hands and I pray over my son every single day from the moment that I found out. And I truly, honestly feel and believe and trust in God that this is His will and is in His timing, and that my mother and my mother-in-law up in heaven, you know, sent their blessings to bless us with a baby during this time. To ease my mind in between ultrasound appointments, which I have another doctor's appointment September 8th, but it's just another sit-down talk with my doctor. My 20-week scan is scheduled for September 23rd. I'll just be coming out of my 20 weeks, but that'll be the halfway point. But I got this off of Groupon, a fetal Doppler, and it just arrived yesterday. I've already used it. Baby's heart range is between 137 and 147, so nice strong heart for my baby. But my best friend already got the stroller. My husband's best friend got the crib. We've got a baby bath. We have a bassinet. We have a bunch of clothes. We have boxes of diapers, boxes of wipies. Every single day since finding out the gender and making a registry through Bye Bye Baby and through Amazon, we've been getting packages. On both sides of the family, this child is very anticipated and waited for, and we never thought we would be here, but you know, it's a blessing, it's a privilege, it's an honor to know that I have my son growing within me. I'm not yet showing, and that's because I lost over 225 pounds and I have a lot of extra skin, and I have one of those B-shaped number 3 type belly, so I have a crease. But when I lift up my apron, I can feel the hardness, you know. I know he hears me. I talk to him, and I know he's getting used to my voice, you know. It's just a whirlwind of emotions. So I figured, you know, 4 months in, why not share it with my YouTube family, finally. So I just want to let you guys know that we are okay. No, I have not yet to get COVID vaccinated, nor my husband. That's a little subject that we have come across numerous of times, because of me being classified as a high-risk pregnancy, with my history and also my maternal age. It just makes it very hard and difficult to want to take that chance, and you know, hearing the good, the bad, and the ugly on it. Yes, I'm still working in the healthcare field. It's just, you know, to have trust and faith in God all these years, and knowing that he blessed me at this particular time during, you know, post 2020, that if he brought me this far, he will continue to bring me even further. So anyways, I just wanted to share with you guys finally. Your girl's expecting, and yes, my fur babies knew before I did, but yeah guys, we're pregnant.